That's what we're gonna do. Not see. Do.
Here? Send it to Oscar.
Right down here. Right down here.
Okay, so why are we here?
To make a lightsaber.
Here, Peter. Peace and justice. Protection and defense. Cry. Show me those tears. Okay, go ahead.
Elemental.
Okay, go.
I can't open it. How do I open it? Oh.
So cute. What is that?
This is the kind of lightsaber I'm gonna get.
Oh,
that
wow.
lets them know inside.
Who's getting a lightsaber? Where's your lightsaber card?
Huh?
Show your card that they give you when we have to come back.
That card's something else.
Huh? A ver. Nice. That's true. This is your Father's Day present. A good one at that. Wow. A ver, let me see the pin. Get in here. You're not.
Oh.
Wow. Can't really see it that well.
That's what I like.
Yes. Nice. Are you excited? Okay.
Please, apologies for the way I was acting outside, but as you can already see, there's heavy presence of the First Order at my Spire Outpost. And we can never be too careful in who we let in. As you can see, what you've come for has to be a secret. But let me introduce us. I have Eddie on my side, and I have Tyler. I'm Dave, and together we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. And within our journeys, we find these ancient relics and artifacts, and we bring them all back here for all of you. I know, if a stormtrooper were to come in and see all this, it looks like a bunch of junk sand. But to us, this is everything. And we must preserve our past in order to ensure our future. And we are in troubled times. You all heard of the legend of Luke Skywalker, right? And he's answered that call. And now we have a new Jedi in our midst. Do you know her name? That's right, Rey. And she is our spark of hope. And that's why you're all here, because you've answered that call. Well, that, and you're also here to build this. The lightsaber. The lightsaber is both elegant and enigmatic. They say to build a lightsaber is a work of art, and it's a reflection of its builder. It has been wielded by our greatest heroes and the most powerful of foes. And to begin this great journey, I'll let you know where we're going to start. It's all going to start with this. The kyber crystal. The kyber crystal is the heart of your lightsaber. It will magnify the force and help it flow through your saber. The color of the crystal will depict the color of your blade. The gatherers and I, in our journeys, have gathered four for you. So we will start with the blue kyber crystal. It has been wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his young apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. The green kyber crystal, wielded by Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Now violet, the most rare and beautiful, searched throughout the galaxy, like the one wielded by Master Mace Windu. And red, the crystal of power, wielded by Darth Maul, Darth Vader, Asajj Ventress, and now Kylo Ren. But enough about the past. As I said, we are here for the future, your future. So I'll ask all you builders to please close your eyes. Go ahead, close your eyes, I can see you. And now envision that kyber crystal that is calling to you. What color is your blade? And builders, if you have that, open your eyes and reach out to the crystal that is calling to you. Rare choice, builder. Beautiful. What'd you choose, builder? Another rare one, white. Beautiful. Oh, green. Like the one like Qui-Gon and Jinn. Go ahead and just set that right there. What did you choose? Blue? Green? Another excellent choice. I'm just place that right there.
Put it from over there.
That is what helps magnify the force. And, most importantly, it keeps your fingers from being disintegrated. So my fellow gatherers and I will be walking around with the choices that you have made today.
Oh, here is better. Which one are you picking?
So now we will explore your boxes. You will see your chassis in the first row. And then in 1 and 2, are your grips and sleeves. Number 3 is your emitter, where your blade will come out of. And number 4 is that palm mobile. And on last, number 5, is going to be your activation plates. Now builders, let's not waste any time. And let's go ahead and build. If you need our assistance, my fellow gatherers and I will be here.
So we're going to start with our chassis.
Alright, we're going to start off with that chassis.
So
We'll get your kyber
So we're going to do it. So we're going to do this down. Make sure it's the bend direction upright.
if it's a higher barometer, just stand there
chassis
straight.
Down.
Right in
at the top,
there.
and base your kyber
And we
crystal
hold all together
inside.
just a minute, like we do.
And then you see that in the center, you'll be able to press it down with this little spring. That's where you're going to slip in that kyber crystal.
Nice. Well done.
So go ahead and slip in that kyber crystal.
Once you've done that, you will now then choose a grip.
Yeah, there's no upside down.
You
And
have
then
4
yours
grips to
should
choose
line
from.
up and then begin calling
All
to
of
you.
your
After you
grips
choose your first
have
grip,
a thick
make sure that
band
the
on
wider
the end.
rim goes in first on top near your kyber crystal.
Beautiful. Now we're going to flip it upside down again. And we're going to start with the top where the blade comes out. So go ahead and choose a grip that is comfortable to your hand, as that's how you will wield it. The thicker rim with the threads on the inside, you're going to go towards that kyber crystal.
Choose our first
One of the
grip.
grips,
You're going to go towards that kyber crystal, that's all.
So on your grip,
wider rim goes in
thicker rim, you want that thicker rim to face your right crystal.
Perfect.
so once you
You're choosing your grip.
and the wider rim goes in,
And now we're
you
going to
will
move
now
on to
choose
one of
an
the
emitter.
emitter. We're choosing an emitter.
Emitter
That's
goes
where your
on
blade's
top.
going to come out of. And we're just going to screw that on top of your chassis.
Once you secure your emitter
Not
on
too
top,
tight, just enough.
emitter is in section.
Sorry about that.
Just enough so we can flip it
Your
upside down.
grip will be
Once you
loose,
choose the
and
grip,
that is okay.
just go around the side.
Because we're going to do the same thing to the other side.
You
So
want
go ahead and
to
choose another grip. Then it's going to go for you.
This is the bottom of your saber, so make sure that
The
that's
same thing.
so.
Flip the ring. Thread on the inside towards that kyber crystal.
Once you choose that, we're choosing
Wider rim
the
goes in first, near your kyber
Only
crystal.
towards that kyber crystal.
I see what you're
That was perfect.
like this one.
What's the other choice?
Excellent. And you can choose one of your activation.
Wait.
We have color coordination. Red and blue.
You're like that one.
I know.
I like that one too. Yeah.
Almost. To protect your power stuff.
Remember, not super tight just yet.
First, that's okay. So now go ahead and pick one more.
We're gonna need booms to slip those activation boots. Alright? Perfect. Now that you're on your activation boots, see that on your chassis, there are blue and red squares. And then go ahead and select.
And now you will
a
choose.
set of activation
You
plates.
have two sets of activation plates. Each set has inside a red square and a blue square. You will match that with the red and blue on the side of the red square. So you choose one of the sets.
I think I chopped your head off and all of this. Your head's chopped off. What are you picking now?
Once you've done that,
The
please place
switch.
your hilt on the hilt holder in front of you.
And
And I will secure
Can you switch that one?
this one.
Are also red and blue dots. And they will match together. Red with red, blue, like a puzzle.
Apologies.
Pick one set. Do not miss the second.
These are spare parts.
Now, if you're happy with your choices, we're going to tighten everything up. Now, come back and check on it. Are you happy with your choices?
This is heavy.
And we're going to take the
It's heavy.
So now you're
Keep that in mind when you go back to your home planet. You can disassemble and reassemble especially if this is your double.
perfect. Everything all makes sense?
How do you feel? I know your face is at all.
Swap them out whenever you like. So, first one, wire red goes in first. Wire red.
I know. I like it. Is that like Obi-Wan?
But we have entered the most dangerous part of our journey. So I ask all of you to please take a step back. My fellow gatherers, we walk around and placing your hilts in the crystal stabilization chambers in front of you. Go ahead and take a step back. Now, like I said, this is the most dangerous part because we are not force sensitive. And this must be done by a well-trained and practiced hand. As you can see all over the walls, as we already have too many holes, and we do not need another one. Right, Kelly?
Yeah.
Yeah, she doesn't sound confident on that one, so
Yeah!
I would probably take it a step further.
Well, I saw some trigger happy ones over here,
Oh.
so I blame them.
So I'm going to be watching him.
I'll just tell Savi it was them.
Wonderful builders. Now, the time is...
Uh-oh.
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined, you will be. It is time.
Master Yoda. Indeed, it is time. The Force must be strong within this room. As Master Yoda said, it is time to force a bond between Builder and Saber. So in a moment, I will ask all of you together to take a step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and we will activate together. So Builders, take that step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and activate.
That's magic.
And raise your sabers high. No. You have just built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who have come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes one spark. Builders, please deactivate your sabers. Congratulations. The bond is complete.
Complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny, you see, your own path. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And builders, thank you for seeking this out today. You have all built a lightsaber as unique and extraordinary as each and every one of you. Now in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power probably shouldn't be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your new lightsaber, we are pleased to present to you a saber sheath as you depart. Now builders, our journey has come to an end, but yours is just beginning. And it's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. And who knows, maybe one day, I'll be here telling your story. To inspire
Till it's fire.
and safe journeys.